Today we are giving an honest review of the best budget mechanical keyboard from Shopee, the Meta 61. First off, let us look at its light effects. You can also adjust the brightness depending on your preference. Moving on with the side lights, we have two modes, the steady mode and the breathing mode. Additionally, you can also turn it off. This is how it looks on the back. Meta 61 has a Type-C detachable wire, but it is not wireless, so it cannot be used in a Bluetooth mode. However, I find this feature convenient, especially when you are switching switches or keycaps. One good thing is that the box came with a switch puller and a keycap puller. Moreover, Meta 61 is a steal because for only $999, it is hot swappable. I originally bought it with a red switch, but I modded it to black switch. However, I did have a hard time removing the switch, but it is bearable. On my next video, I will be showing you how I remove my black switch. Also, I did forget that my number keys are still red switches, so I'm showing it now. This is how it looks in the back. I've actually customized the back part with my name in it. I have been using this keyboard for about a month now, and I can say this is of good quality. For a budget mechanical keyboard like this, I would highly recommend it to beginners. Also, I would like to commend these keycaps I found from Shopee for only 174 pesos. Here's a quick video of me changing the keycaps.